Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. Update Google Photos and confirm your unlock method so you can access locked folder. Once done, open Photos, tap Library, then Utilities, and enter locked folder to view the hidden images. Now create a destination outside that folder, either a secure local folder in Files or a new album in Google Photos that will sync. Make sure there's enough storage and your Photos backup is enabled. This lets you move forward without losing anything. You will now create backupable copies. Select the photos in locked folder and use Share, then save to Files to copy them into a normal folder. Once copied, confirm the copies appear in Files or in a new gallery album. This is important because locked folder intentionally prevents cloud sync. If you prefer cloud only, open the Files copy and upload to Drive or another cloud app. That upload becomes the backup. Make sure the upload completes before removing any originals. Finish up by verifying your backups. Open the cloud destination or Google Photos and check that the copied images show with correct timestamps and full previews. Once you're confident the copies are safe, you can delete the originals from locked folder or move them back depending on your privacy needs. If anything failed, re-upload the specific files or connect your phone to a computer and transfer them manually for a second backup. If sync stalls, toggle Wi-Fi or app permissions and retry the upload.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.